Greetings! You can bring your presentations to life by animating 3D shapes and models directly in PowerPoint. To add a 3D model, go to the Insert tab. In the Illustrations tab, expand 3D Models. Click Stock Models. Choose a category. Select Models and click Insert. A scene for a 3D model refers to a specific view or angle of the model that you can use during animations. You can apply 5 different types of animations to 3D objects. The effect options allow you to set properties like direction, intensity, and rotation axis. You can also employ various animations to create unique movement.